Ayo, 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 what's up? Baby, Boy Rashad back again. Now, you see, I'm at a different spot. I'm about to show you guys a workout video. You guys already know, my channel is also a fitness channel as well, too. I'm gonna show you how to get money at home. This will be the first of many fitness videos. I'm gonna drop these videos probably every Wednesday. Yeah, I'm gonna do every Wednesday. Hey, that's the day I could pick. That being said, right, you're gonna get good money right here. And we're gonna get money. I already said we're gonna get money. We're gonna get gains in our old bedroom. I know a lot of you guys on the quarantine. A lot of you guys can't go to the gym. Even after quarantine is done, you guys might not have the time because you work long hours to even travel to the gym. Or maybe by the time you're free to go to the gym's probably closed. Don't worry, I got you. We're gonna train it in our bedroom. You can train right before you go to sleep. Train as soon as you wake up. Stay tuned. No excuse. So all you just need is some resistance bands. We're going to use the Undersun resistance bands. These bands are very versatile. You get good gains with these. You don't need this brand, but this is the brand I have. I'm going to show you with this. And you'll need a door anchor. Now with this door anchor, right, there's going to be a side that has a wheel on it. And they have a side with a hook. So you want this side to go on the outside of your door. Put it up here. Close your door. And then it will be secured. Right like this. Now, this would be more ideal if you have a door that opens outside. But this door opens towards my direction. I'm gonna show you a little trick you could do to ensure your safety. You could lock the door, but you don't have to lock on your bedroom door, or the lock is not very strong. You're gonna want to do this trick. Let me show you real quick. Bars. You're gonna have your feet against the door. This would be a second door anchor too. This should prevent the door from opening towards you. Let's get started. So the exercise I'm gonna show you today is how to do tricep pull downs. When we work out our triceps, we're working out this part. See that flex? Working out this muscle right here. Right? So I'm showing you how to work it with that, with resistance bands. You have to anchor already. Now you get your resistance bands. So I suggest starting with the light first. Yeah, remember I complained about this in my other video. I gotta look at the label on each band because I can't tell by the color of the band. They're all the same color. This is light. So you're gonna start with the light band first, and I suggest use gloves. I have these gloves right here. These gloves from Dollar Tree. This is what I'm gonna use, and it's good because it matches the bands. With this, your anchor, you wanna put this around your band like this, right? And you're gonna put this part with the ball. You're gonna tie like that. Tie this, pull out. And now you got this band secured to your door anchor. Close your door. Have your feet against the door. So we make sure you have your feet and we want to put pressure against the door so it doesn't open towards you. Because this is the door that opens towards me. You have a door that opens the opposite way, you're good money. But I don't in this situation. So I'm showing you an alternative. So you want to take the bands, so pull any side you want. Remember, this is linear variable resistance. So you can pull any side you pull. If you make the band shorter, it becomes tougher. Pull, it leave more slack for the band, it becomes easier. What we're gonna do is keep your back straight, face the door, and make sure that when you pull down and come up, your concentric and eccentric contractions. Your forearm does not go below 90 degrees. 90 degrees, your forearm does not go higher than this point right here, because then you're not working your triceps. So let's do a couple of these. 1, 2, 3. Really concentrate on that contraction. I'm gonna need more. So I'm gonna have it up higher because this is a little bit too easy for me. I'm gonna start it here. So this, bring it down, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, your time under tension is the most important thing when you're lifting weights. Okay? I just had to say okay because it rhymed. Yeah, but make sure that concentric contraction, which is the most important, when your muscles are getting shorter, tighter, you're really concentrating on that contraction. You want to do this slow. It's not, you don't want to do this fast because it's not a quality rep. You want quality reps, not fast reps, not quantity reps. It's not about how much reps you do, it's how good of the reps you do. Alright, so that's a simple tricep workout or tricep pull down. Well, that's just one workout I'm gonna show you. Another variation you could do, if you have the door open towards you like I do, you could go put your back against the door. Right? And then pull the hands over your head like this. And go 1, 2, 3. Same thing. Make sure your forearm does not go higher than 90 degrees. Remember to concentrate on your concentric contraction. Time under tension. Make sure that concentric contraction, you hold it for at least 2 seconds. So that's the tricep workout I want to show you guys. I'm just showing you how to do the workout. It's not really a workout. As you see, my triceps looking kind of good right now. Yeah, so you already know the deal. Oh yeah, to all my waivers. Yes, I work out with my do-rag on, and it doesn't affect my hair because it's a silky do-rag. So my waves are safe. So you work out with your do-rag, it's not gonna be a problem. I work out with my do-rag 5 days a week. I don't lose any progress. Fortunately for me, when I work out, I don't sweat too much, so that's a plus for me. Somebody who sweats a lot, that might be a different story. That being said, you already know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples, and I'ma see you next video.